Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Word and signing into the Microsoft account tied to your Office 365 license. Make sure your microphone is connected and OS permissions allow Word to use it. In Word, select Home Dictate to start live transcription or use Transcribe under Dictate for uploaded audio. Once done, choose Language and Microphone input. You're initiating the conversion, now so Word can capture speech in real time or accept an audio file for detailed processing. Next, use Transcribe to upload your recorded audio file or record directly in the browser pane. You can upload MP3, WAV, or M4A files. Once uploaded, Word processes speech into segments. This can take a few minutes depending on length. While processing, monitor the progress bar in the Transcribe pane. After completion, you'll see segmented text with speaker guesses. Review and apply speaker labels, then edit misheard phrases inline, so the final text matches the original audio accurately. Finally, insert the clean transcript into your document and tidy formatting. Remove redundant timestamps and adjust paragraphing. You'll want to read through for punctuation, homophone errors, and any domain-specific terminology that automated tools mistranscribed. If Word struggles, re-record with less background noise, move the mic closer, or run the file through noise reduction software before re-uploading. One troubleshooting tip: if transcription quality is poor, export audio to WAV at 44. 1 kHz and retry. Clearer input usually fixes most recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.